Hi, welcome back to the channel. All right, everyone. So I just got home from work and I recently realized I'm in big trouble. So I'm going to take a few minutes here, have a cup of coffee, get thawed out a little bit, and head outside and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Stick around and I hope you all enjoy. All right, so looking here, y'all can probably figure out real quick why I'm in big trouble. I have 3 big rounds of wood out here at the boiler, and we've got single digits coming early next week, and later on this weekend I believe we're supposed to get some rain and before the temperature drops. So terrible conditions for getting wood. So I'm going to try to take the rest of the evening here and make this pile of wood, which will last us a good week or so. I don't really like to use the split wood as much just because it burns faster in the boiler. I get a lot better burn time with the solid rounds there, but this was easy picking, so that's what we're going with. What, buddy? You got to be the center of attention too, don't you? That's it. That's all you want, just attention. All right, let's get to it. All right, so here's the pile of wood we're going to be working with there. A lot of really nice split cherry and some elm in there, a little bit of poplar, but we've also got some large rounds back there. But anyways, we're going to get the LS MT125 started up, warmed up. We'll get this moved over to the boiler. Let's go. All right, we'll get the glow plugs warming up here and start a fire right up for us. Oh, this isn't good. We're running out of daylight. We'll get it moved though. We'll at least get a couple loads over there this evening. All right, I'm gonna let this warm up and we'll get at it. All right, we're making progress. So, real quick, I wanted to take a minute and explain the title to you all. So, didn't mean to clickbait anybody. If you're here for sawmilling videos, be sure to check out some of our latest videos we've done. The title is intended for the fact that I've done nothing at home in my spare time other than try to mill as much as possible. So milling's kind of put the firewood on the back burner, which I'm paying for now because I've got to get some wood out of the boiler. But I wanted to make that clear there, that if you're here for sawmilling videos, be sure to check out some of our previous videos. We've been milling some beautiful slabs and lots of lumber. So all right, I just wanted to get that cleared away there. We're getting a couple loads out to the boiler tonight. And what, buddy, huh? What do you think? I got Axel with me here. Atlas is over at the barn being a wild man, so we'll get this over to the barn there. We'll keep at it. We've got a ways to go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What do you think, buddy, huh? You having fun back there? Yeah. Yeah, you are. Off for another load. What? What? All right, last load to the boiler. Here we come. Ready. All right, well, I hope y'all enjoy these videos. I sure appreciate the support and the comments we've been getting. And feel free to email us too at highhilltopshobbyfarm@gmail.com. But I want to thank y'all for coming along. We'll catch y'all next time of High Hilltops. Y'all take care.